good morning. We are on our way out. Look who I have with me today. Oh, it's the infamous Memphis. Oh my gosh. We're having a son and I was gonna say a son and daughter, a mother and son day. Let's see how much trouble me and him can get into today. Every time we always go out, people always think that I'm his girlfriend. Woo, hey boy, they say you look your mother so young and sweet, eh? Remember the days when I used to hang out with my nephew and people always thought that I was his girlfriend from foreign. Everybody thought that me and Chino did that together. Oh Lord, the good old days. Rest in peace, my nephew. Oh Lord. So yeah, it's me and Mr. Memphis here today. We gotta go out, go get some last minute running around done. I don't know which way should I go. This way? I should go this way. Okay. So oh yes. So I'm gonna go. Let me see if I can prompt. Ah! This is why you don't drive my vlog. Why? Alright, we reached our destination. We're about to head in just now. So, catch y'all inside! Alright, so, well, we reached the mall. Put on your mask. I just one gotta go get his last minute things that he needs. So, that's what we are out here doing. And there's a lineup, guys. There's a lineup. Look at the lineup. Well, not that much, a little bit, but still a lineup. It'll still fit you. This one, it's 1 year since he hasn't worn his coat since last year. Well, last year these times? Last year. Yeah, last year these times. This is what, yeah, okay, you didn't wear it. That's crazy. No question that they ask you. But is people really and truly honest when they ask these questions? Get some hand sanitizer so I can sanitize my hand. Wait, pump it. Squeeze it in the Memphis. You. Oh, gosh. Whew. All right. So, what are you buying me?
I don't have any money. I don't have my card on.
Oh, so this one make sure and come to the mall. Come to the mall and don't have his card on him. Eh? I just asked him what him go buy me. Him say him don't.
I don't have my card.
Hello, when you're going out, you know, so you're going somewhere, you're supposed to bring your bank card with you.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
What do you mean why? You're going shopping, so you're supposed to bring your bank card with you. Let me tell you. You see, I think in the mall is more packed now. Maybe because people are more full now because people are home and people are doing their last minute Christmas shopping. So the mall is way more full than it would have been. The store. Let's go in here. Yeah? Yeah. Alright. Let's go in. Uh-oh. I'm gonna see the shoes them here. Look. I like them. I think it was this one. Huh? This one? This one. Yeah. What size do you want in this? Can I get a 9.5? 9.5? 9.5? Yeah. And then, do you want to try this one too? And then this one maybe. Oh, we can do that. Sure. Memphis, it's up to you.
What?
Try on the shoes.
That one.
Yeah. What are these? No white. Not for you. No white. Sit down. And then this one. Okay, thank you. Man, this guy can't hold in her shoes. Can't hold her shoes. Her feet grow so fast. Pardon?
Not hurt.
What, are tight?
Yeah.
It is?
No, it's not that it's tight. I think that the way the shoe set up.
Where? No fit.
Yeah, fit.
No, this one Brighton out of order. Just went and bought him his shoes. And they asked if he can get another pair. Him they asked for another pair and yet
No,
my man to bring
I said,
theme wallet.
I said if it's possible if I can get another pair like this one. That's the one I'm wearing.
Looking. This one still trying to figure out what else he needs to get. And then, oh, I need to go to the doll store. The doll store is all the way at, oh shoot. I need to go in the doll store. Remind me before I leave here. Because the store is already here and I don't want to backtrack and go somewhere else. Remind me. So we're here. We're actually lining up. Oh, those ones are not that bad.
So bad, mommy.
Oh, so at the mall. Still doing some last minute errands. And guess who I'm with this time? Yes, I am with Miss Fight. So we're trying to get some, well, came to look at shoes. Oh, Lord. What is this? Did I put my mask on wrong? I don't want to get. So, does it come out in the shoes?
I never had time to put my shit on. And these look good on my feet. Better on mine than his. Anyways.
Really?
Yeah.
So I guess one's going all black and one's getting all white.
Because I can pure white, unlike Memphis. Oh, look at these.
Reach one of our destination. So we're gonna go do what we do best. Let's go, Faith. Let's go. Yeah, lock. You better open them up. Open them up, my girl. Let's go. Oh gosh. Oh shoot, I parked on ice. Ah! Are you getting your coat on? Come on. Ugh. So we're going into Danforth Market. I'll go see what's in there, and I gotta go
Look
into
at the
that
birds.
Air Blue Beauty Supply place
Look over that
as
for me.
well.
What if they all get shot and just dropped off on dead?
What?
The birds.
This other mall, but the place is like almost fully locked down. Oh, that's the up. So I'm going to go get us some food because your girl is hungry. Go, Faith. Don't touch the thing. Hold on, wait. Ah! Faith. Oh my gosh. So we're going to go get some food. I just got my Christmas cake and stuff. But your girl is hungry. So it's now, I don't even know what time it is. Well, and I still need to get some tea. Okay, so let's booster juice now. I don't know, down here somewhere. We're just gonna walk. So you see it's really closed in here. And this is what? The Scarborough Mall. So you have 1 and 2. If it's not here, then you gotta go the other way. It's like the 1 and 2 stores that are open. But the mall, the other mall we went to, it's wide open. Yeah, I think because they had the lockdown, so it's been a while since I've been to this mall. Like a long time. Maybe more than a year. It shows how much I get out. I don't know, I just thought this.
I don't get out a lot.
Oh, I think we went, we think we have to go maybe that way. We're trying to maneuver to find our way. Oh, look at the Christmas tree. Guys, it's huge. And it's turning.
What if we had a Christmas tree that big in our house? Oh, what the hell, if we had that down.
Yeah. Now it's turning. Look at that. Wow. Christmas tree is it's pretty. And I love the color scheme. Okay. Come, Faith. Food. Oh my gosh. I can't. Ooh. There, Faith. Faith, come on. Oh, and this one has little stars. What are these? Oh, look, I found the food court. Finally. And it's empty. But that's good. Let's go get our food and get out of here.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us and me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past how we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.